Am I starting off the day with you again? Hmm? Yeah? Do you want to come for a cuddle? Yeah? Yeah? Come on then. Let's come over here. It's okay. Who's that? Who's that? Is that you? God, the sun's really bright. Who's that? That's you. Yeah. You're cute. You're looking cute. Yeah, you want to start the video? Hmm? Want to say hello? No. Okay. Bit of a big deal. Good morning everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 17. Hello everybody and welcome to Vlogmas Day 24.
Molly made this for the elves.
Back in 2018 we've still got about 12 hours to go before our lives are changed forever. We're parents now. Yay.
Ho ho ho! This is not a sponsored video. Please don't sue us. This is the first one we've ever had to say.
I know, it sounds nice. But I just love the little detail on it and I do think they should bring us back into the real world. So we just finished up the tour, the first part of the tour. I forgot how much I love it.
Warning, security breach in event bay. Warning, security.
And lots of different sites. I can't. Currently in Dover at Campfire Ho. We are all here. Darling, that explodes. Jesus. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Oh my So, I'm starting off the day with a very croaky voice, and that hasn't happened today, so I don't know what that's about. But I've been a little bit productive. I put some makeup on. I hugged my beautiful little chicken, who seems to have learnt a new trick recently, that if you don't ask her to spin for a grape, she spins anyway. So I have no idea what that's about and I don't know where she learned that from. But today I have a few plans. I have EMDR therapy for the last time of December and I'm so excited. I just want all my appointments out the way so that I don't have to go to anything at all for the next month. I have 2 appointments this week. One is at my local hospital for a general review checkup type thing. And then the other one is EMDR today and I am super excited about that. We are also planning to go to a local park today. I love it there. I think it's one of the best parks we have around our area. I think it's beautiful and they still have the baby cygnets from last year and I'm very excited to go. There is also one thing I have to do before anything else, and that is open my advent calendar. I have the weirdest feeling that I look like someone from the TV right now. Glasses. So I need to look for day number 7, I think. Yeah, 7, because I missed a day and then I feel like I need to catch up with 2 actually. I'm always forgetting with this calendar because it's 12 days instead of 24, so I have to plan out when I need to open the next present. It's on every odd numbered day, so that's today and the 15th, so 2 days to open. So that's 9. I'll put you there because I don't know how long this is going to take me. Okay, so that's 8, which is what we need, and then there should be 7 in here somewhere. Ah, there it is. Nope, that's 10. Did I open 7? I need to recount all this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yep, so 8 and 9 then. Jeez, I cannot count for the life of me. It's very confusing, although I love this calendar. Okay, so I opened 1st, 3rd, 5th, 7th, 9th, 10th. So it needs, no, 11th, so 13. And then I did need to do the 15th and the 17th, which is today. So yeah, that'll be 8 and 9. Oh, this is so confusing. Right. Move that out of the way. Oh, I look very small. Right, if we open day number 8, which is very similar to the first day we got, which was the llama face mask. So I feel like I know what this is, although I could be wrong. Oh, what have we got? I think it's a face mask. Ooh, okay. Oh wow. Oh, that's really cool. So this is the Unicorn Exists hair mask. Wow, that's really cool. I like these. I really like these kind of face masks and hair masks because they're really pretty. And it's similar to the Percy and Reed one I got the other day in Birchbox. So that'd be nice. And now to open number 9, which is a very odd shape. Oh, okay. What's this? Oh, that's so cute. So this is Little Gingerbread Bar Fizzers. Oh, he's really adorable. That's so cute. I really like this.
I don't think that really tall one's here, Molly, anymore. I don't think the really tall duck's here anymore.
No, he might be, I don't know. Oh my god!
No, it's not edible. It's just like I'm coming for you. Sorry, were you not having any No, you don't want the food.
Oh, right. No, you don't find others. Yeah, I can see them going into my hand. I'm moving on to that.
water. You're not getting any just because you're standing up. I'm going to throw them out.
Daisy, come on then. Yeah, and then you can see. I can tie your hand with one hand. See your friend? Oh, okay.
Yeah, I'm trying to get the rest out of the pack. Oi, stop eating it.
Oh, we've got a duck.
Oh, it's such a shame our duck's not here.
I know, I actually miss him.
I expect he probably died, Puppet, because there was something wrong with him.
Yeah, he did look in a bit of a bad condition. I mean,
No, don't throw it at me.
Look at this one. He's like, I know you have food. Stop whining. You're a seagull. You can eat anything you want. Can't say no to you. Can seagulls speak now? Hey. Oh. Oh, hello. Yep. You going back now? Or are you just edging towards me? Nope, you're going to food. Okay, bye. He's really coming close to you. Bye.
I love it.